I created AI models on Instagram and got these kinds of views. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Claude and Higgsfield to build a content factory and make videos that look incredibly realistic and resonate with people. This in turn will bring you followers, new clients, leads, and sales. This is my first video in a series about the content factory. In this series, I'll be sharing how we're building a content factory with AI to promote my neural network, CoFilm. They do well on TikTok. My first video got 40,000 views, and I've also learned how to make these cartoons with characters that are great for building an audience. For example, one video with 50,000 views brought in a full 1,000 subscribers. If you're interested in how to make these content formats, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to share. But today is going to be a very interesting episode. I'll be showing you using my AI model, Sitora, as an example. First of all, let's integrate Higgsfield with Claude. In Claude, I'm going to the Customize section. It's that little suitcase icon on the left. Next, I go to the Connectors section, click plus, choose to create a custom connector and type in a name like Higgsfield AI. Then I go to the Higgsfield website, go to the MCP section and choose the Claude integration. I just copy the link and head back to Claude. I paste the link and confirm the command. That's it. Higgsfield is now added to the Claude account via the connector. Now all that's left is to authorize and the setup will be complete. My goal in this episode is to create several high-quality finished videos to show you the whole journey from idea to final result. Later, these videos will be posted on Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. Okay? The most important thing to ensure you get high-quality videos and not some AI-generated junk is to give Claude this skill. The skill is called UGC content creation. This will allow you to bring in a whole team to work on your task. We'll bring in a marketer, a designer, a creator, and a scriptwriter, all focused on creating UGC content for your brand. And all these people will be available to you thanks to just this one skill. For those just starting with Claude, I've made a full review of what skills are and how to use them. You can watch it by clicking somewhere here or via the link in the description of this video. Briefly, a skill is a collection of instructions and rules that clearly and specifically describe exactly what Claude needs to do for you. Basically, if Claude were a person, then a skill would be like a comprehensive and detailed instruction manual that you would give to an employee so they can do exactly what you want. To install the skill, go to the connector section, then to the skills section, click the plus sign, choose the file upload method, and then simply drag the file into the upload window. In just a second, everything will be ready. And you can find the download link for this skill in the description of this video. All the prep work is done, so I'm heading over to the Claude Co-work section on my laptop and opening the chat. Using this command, I'll call up the skill we just installed. And the first thing I want to show you is how to generate simple UGC product videos. I picked out this face roller on Amazon. I'll select our installed skill and type in this prompt. And here's what Claude gave us. First is the avatar description. Basically, this is our target audience, the people who actually buy this product. The more info you give Claude about your product, the better, because then it will know exactly who you are looking for, who you are targeting, who you are searching for, and who you are focusing on. This is the description we'll put into Higgsfield to generate the right avatar. Or you can choose from the avatar library, which I'll also show you now. Second, this prompt describes how your character will look, how the lighting will be set, what the avatar will do, what the avatar will do physically, specifically with the product, and what she or he will say. Overall, we're almost ready, so we can move on to Higgsfield. Let's open Higgsfield, but we're not going to generate a video with just one model. We'll go right here. It's called Marketing Studio. The first thing we'll do is create an avatar. You can either upload a photo and turn it into an avatar or describe it. Now, I'll go ahead and show you just as I promised by using my Sitora model. So at this moment, I'm selecting her. I generated photos with her beforehand and saved her as my avatar. But you can take our prompt, this first box here, paste it in, and generate the right avatar. But we'll skip that step for now. Next, we're going to add the product. I'll just click here and you have a few options. The first option is to just paste a link to the Amazon product. The second option is that you can upload photos of the product yourself. I'll choose to upload the Amazon link. Next, we'll choose the format down here. I think this will be more of a review UGC format in a bathroom. It should be expressive, so I'm picking this UGC format. Next, I'll choose the duration. I want this video to be about 12 seconds long, and then I'll click generate. So the generation took me about 10 minutes. My face always looks puffy in the morning, like I slept wrong on it. I'll link it below. As you can see, creating videos like this isn't that hard. The hardest part is figuring out what to create, in what format, and how to know what will actually work. And this is exactly where all brands and businesses spend the most money. That's why I'm building my product, CoFilm AI. With it, you can analyze videos, write not just one reel, but a whole series, a sequence of reels, and test it for your content and link it all together with Higgsfield. With this promo code, you'll get a full 50% discount for the first month. And I'll be honest with you, we probably won't even make anything with this discount. But the main reason I'm telling you this right now is that I really need your valuable feedback on my product. And if you're willing to give me 15 minutes of your time for a call after you've purchased and used it, that would be the most valuable thing you could do for me, because my goal is to build a quality product that you'll actually use. I'll leave all the contact info in the description of this video.